In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the RAM, or add more RAM, or remove RAM from Hewlett Packard 8300 Elite CMT computer. So let's open the cover. Just pull on that to get the cover off. The RAM is right here. RAM base. The way you get them off is you have to push on each lever, like from either side, until you hear a click sound. So I'm going to push down on this one, and that releases it. And the RAM goes in one way. One side is shorter, the other side is longer. The orientation is like this. The right side has a shorter length than the left side, and then you just align it to the RAM slot, and then after that you just push in each one. You push in one and you push in the other, so I'll do it right here. Okay, that's in. And I'll put pressure on the other one, other side. I think I'll need 2 fingers, and then it's in. I'll do it again. You just push out like that, release it, put it into the slot. And then make sure the RAM goes in, the pairs go in this way. If it's one pair, it goes in, this would be an odd number. If it goes in through the even number, it will be even number. 2 and 4 and 1 and 3, like that. That's how you put it in. That's pretty much it to replace the RAM or add RAM. Make sure you get it in the right orientation before you push it in, or you could damage it. That's pretty much it. Let me close the case. The maximum amount of RAM you could put in is 32 gigabytes, so 8 gigabytes per slot. Just put the cover back on like this at an angle, and just push the case in, and that's it. Thank you for watching.